In this video, we're going to talk about derivatives of basic trig functions. The first one, the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. The derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x. Number 3, the derivative of tangent of x equals secant squared of x, and the derivative of cotangent of x is negative cosecant squared of x. So pay attention to negative signs. Perfect. Let's move on. Now, suppose you need to find derivative ddx of sine of 3x plus 2. Now, the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x, and we want to keep the argument 3x plus 2. And we are not done yet, since this is a composite function, so your function is made of 3x plus 2 being in a function, inside function. So we have to take care of the derivative of this inner part. And the derivative of 3x plus 2 is just 3. So according to the chain rule, so this function gets multiplied by 3. That's gonna be your answer. Now, more generally, the derivative of sine of ax plus b, where a and b two constant, is a times cosine of ax plus b. So you could think of this as a separate formula, or you could anytime derive it from the scratch by using the chain rule if you bump into this kind of problem. Alright, let's move on. Here's the table of derivatives.